Sennheiser has recently introduced a fresh addition to its lineup of wireless headphones, the Accentum. This new headphone series draws inspiration from the company's flagship Momentum 4, promising a remarkable auditory experience, while making some adjustments to ensure affordability. Visually, the Accentum wireless headphones bear striking resemblance to the premium Momentum 4 model. However, in order to reduce production costs and offer a more budget-friendly option, the appearance incorporates certain cost-cutting measures. Notably, the headband is crafted from hard plastic, deviating from the premium materials used in the Momentum 4. Additionally, the intuitive touch gestures for music playback and call management have been replaced by a more conventional 4-button layout, located at the bottom of the left ear cup. In terms of audio performance, the Accentum does not disappoint. Equipped with 37mm dynamic transducers, these headphones are engineered to deliver exceptional bass performance and remarkable clarity, ensuring an immersive listening experience. The headphones also feature hybrid active noise cancellation, which employs microphones both inside and outside the ear cups to effectively eliminate external disturbances. Furthermore, a wind reduction mode has been incorporated to enhance call clarity, even in windy conditions. Keeping up with modern connectivity standards, the Accentum headphones support Bluetooth 5.2 with multi-point connection capabilities. This functionality allows users to seamlessly switch between connected devices without the need for repeated pairing, simplifying the process of transitioning from one device to another. The inclusion of aptX HD codec support enhances sound quality and stability, and the headphones also support the SBC and AAC codecs to ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. Battery life is another area where the Accentum shines. The headphones are capable of providing up to an impressive 50 hours of playback time on a single charge. For those in a hurry, quick charging support ensures that just 10 minutes of charging can provide an additional 5 hours of battery life. Charging the headphones is a breeze, thanks to the included USB-C cable, which not only powers up the headphones, but can also be used to connect them to any USB-C compatible device for audio playback. When it comes to pricing, as an attractive option for consumers seeking a harmonious blend of quality and affordability. Priced at just $179 on Amazon, these headphones offer a compelling proposition in the wireless audio market. They will be readily available from select retailers and Sennheiser's official website. For eager audiophiles who can't wait to get their hands on this new offering, pre-orders for the Accentum headphones will commence on the 26th of September. With two distinct color choices to cater to individual preferences, users can opt for either the sleek and classic black model, or the pristine and elegant white variant. In summary, the Accentum wireless headphones strike a balance between affordability and premium audio quality, making them an appealing choice for audio enthusiasts looking for a high-performance yet budget-friendly wireless headphone option. With an appearance reminiscent of the Momentum 4 and a feature set that includes dynamic transducers, hybrid active noise cancellation, multi-point connectivity, and impressive battery life, the Accentum offers a compelling package for those seeking an exceptional audio experience on the go. What do you think about the new headphones? Would you purchase them yourself or not? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.